Evansville, I'm tired. The excuses, the side talk, the gossip, the drama, the accidental leaders, the protecting and dominating that leads us all to abdication, the who's right, not what's right mindset. It's time to build liberating leaders who fight for the highest possible good of those they lead. Leaders from all circles of influence who are equipped with self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and skills awareness. That's why we created the Unlocking the EVV Region initiative. Evansville, it's time to unlock our true potential, our highest possible good. I'm Sean Collins, and I'm excited to provide you with a quick overview of our Fall 2023 Self-Awareness and Leadership offerings. First up, we have our virtual toolkit sessions. It's a lunch and learn series. Stay ahead of the curve with our monthly virtual sessions, covering a range of leadership topics. These interactive webinars offer practical tips, strategies that you can immediately apply to your organization. This 12-month series starts on October 2nd from 12 to 1 p.m. and will reoccur the first Monday of each month. Next, the Five Voices Cohort Brunch, where we focus on transforming team communication. Discover the power of effective communication in this transformative workshop. Learn to identify and leverage unique voices within your team to foster a more collaborative and productive environment. This 5-month series starts on October the 11th from 10 to 1 p.m. and will reoccur on the second Wednesday of each month. Moving on to Altitude, where we reach new heights in leadership. Elevate your leadership skills to new heights with this immersive program. Focused on strategic thinking and execution, Altitude empowers you to lead with confidence and make informed decisions that drive organizational success. This 12-month series starts on October 16th from 5 to 6 p.m. and will reoccur on the third Monday of each month. Then there's 100X Leader. Become the leader others want to follow. Inspire and motivate your team to achieve their very best. This workshop equips you with the tools to become a 100X leader who not only excels individually, but also uplifts those around them by multiplying their leadership health. This 6-month series starts on November the 15th from 2 to 5 p.m. and will reoccur on the third Wednesday of each month. And finally, intensives. Know yourself to lead yourself. Unlock your leadership potential through personalized coaching sessions. Led by certified experts, this program offers actionable insights and a tailored growth plan to help you become a more effective leader. This 6-session series can be started anytime, completed in 2 days, 6 days, 6 weeks, 6 months, or 12 months. Our programs come equipped with professional recertification credits, CEUs. Contact us so we can learn about your specific profession and credit requirements. These programs represent just a glimpse of what's in store. To learn more or to sign up for a program, visit unlockevv.com.